And then when you find something you like, it's time to make an offer. So that's what we work on together in terms of those terms and what we want to offer on the property. Has anyone heard of comparables, or anyone referred to the word when you're looking at comps on a house? Nope, not yet. Okay. So comparables, or we call them comps, are just what it sounds like. We're going to take the home that you want to make an offer on and compare it to previous homes that just sold in the neighborhood, because that gives us a sense of pricing. So it's not always about the list price. What I'm seeing right now is that a lot of listing agents are listing homes a little lower than they're worth because it gets a lot of people to look. Then when a lot of people go look and a lot of people make offers, it starts to drive that price up. So it's not always about the list price. It's about the value of the home and what you're willing to pay for it. So what I do is, let's say there's a house in Studio City and you're interested in putting an offer in. I go and I look at houses within 1 mile of that address, anything that has recently sold, comparable in size. So that's bedrooms, bathrooms, and square foot. And then I also look at condition, right? So if there's a brand new, updated, fully modern home and the one you want to offer maybe needs some work, I take that into consideration.